Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today I'm really excited because what I've been trying to do lately is come up with like kind of party, festive recipes that you can make around Christmas, around holidays, when you're having like dinner parties and you want to stay pretty animal based or just as animals based as possible, as carnivore as possible. So this this recipe is made using the Ketogenic woman carnivore pasta noodle. They already use so much. So I made the pasta noodle, I made cannelloni with, I made enchiladas, and today what I try to do, which is one of my favorite things to do, is try to deep fry stuff. So today I was trying to make some sort of spring roll, some sort of like stuffed parcel. So I tried, but it wasn't working. So I then decided to do this like mini kind of like fried dough things. The Ketogenic woman carnivore pasta recipe fries really well. It gets really crispy, so I fried it in lard, and this is really good because basically what you can do is fry all your pieces of dough when you want, and then when you're ready to serve, you can serve it with your stuffing, like with a topping of your choice. Today I made some like Asian inspired topping. Is pork fried in a pan with Chinese spice, onion powder, garlic powder, some like actual garlic, some oyster sauce, coconut aminos, which I use instead of soy, and some grated carrot, which can be substituted or left out. And then when you're ready to serve, all you can do is just take some of these parcels, fill them up, put any toppings you want, and then you have like a nice crunchy, crispy party food that is mostly animal based, depending on the ingredients you use. And so I'm really excited about this one. I think, guys, you can really have fun with it. Top it up with anything you want. It can be cold, hot, it can be like a prawn cocktail, it can be like a meatball, it can be a piece of chicken. Just literally the possibility endless. So you can serve them as like actual crisps, so cut them out in triangles and then have them with like dips. As usually, Ketogenic woman, great job making this recipe. It could work with the kind of spring rolls idea. It's just a matter of maybe cut it a bit too small, because I made it like a few days ago because I was trying to just help myself and cook, and I didn't really think through. I think if you can make it really thin and then cut it bigger, you might be able to do the whole cigar, because you have to like fold the ends in and then roll it over, and then you might be able to do it. It's just the fact that there's no stickiness. I tried to do it with an egg, but it doesn't stick immediately. It sticks once it's cooked. Overall, I think this is a great idea for your dinner parties and all that. Let me take one. I have here one, so they now stand up. So just put the stuff in the topping whenever you're ready to serve, because they get soggy, but like with anything fried, it gets soggy as soon as it hits humidity. And if you're wondering what's the little kind of thing that I put, like the little sauce, is just vinegar, like white rice vinegar, a bit of oyster sauce and a bit of coconut aminos, just because this is quite sweet because of the oyster sauce. So I just want to bring some acidity, but this is just an idea. But yeah, I'll have a taste. crispy, savory, yummy. No one will know that it's not actual dough, like no one. So you can trick anyone with this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know your favorite party food if you want to stay kind of animal-based, carnivore-ish. I thank the Ketogenic woman for her recipe as usual. I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Follow me on Instagram. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.